Hello and welcome back to a bit of a blustery, breezy, cold day. We're going to get on with a bit more engine for the Civic. It's ready, cleaned to go back together. I've got like a million different things that I took off. Well, maybe not a million, but you know, we're going to start with sticking back together some brackets and like the heating pipes, see if we can get things like the starter motor on, just put it back together really. Let's get going because it's blooming cold. Alright then, so I've realised the first job to do here is to get this knock sensor changed because this thing fell apart, and while everything's off that needs to come off and get swapped. So job number one, in case you're wondering, this is a 24. And all we've got to do is take it off. Right, here we go. Finger tight that, and according to the manual that is a 31 Newton meter Titan. There we go. Next job's to get this coolant pipe back on. Rubber ring to go around there. I think it's in this bag. Don't mind the builders. There you go. That's that on there. There we go. What a difference. Right then. Turn this on. This end up here. We can get that on. Yeah, that's one. That one on there. This needs a bit of a clean up. If I don't drop it. And you can go on here now. Which one goes on which? Oh, no, it's got to be the other way around. Leave it on like that. Next is this little cover down here. I'll get that on. So it's this bit, which is going to go on here, like this. So we've just got to go and get some Honda Bond and put that all around. Right, here we go, some nice Honda Bond. Something like that off there. Turn the cap upside down, poke the hole in. Right. Can't see the holes, of course. One, two. There we go. Give this pipe a bit of a clean up, I think. And we'll just work out which way it was. That's the one. Nice and on there. Get you nice and on there. Back on for now. This bit of tin foil straight over the top before I put the lid back on. And if I'm lucky, I'll be able to get the lid back on. Tin foil on. Should keep it good. Alright then, so I've got the tensioner ready to go back on. Of course, I've got to remember just how all this goes. Well, that one goes straight through the middle there, that one goes like that, so that looks ridiculously upside down. So after consulting the manual, I was right, it does go in that way up, like that. You got this down here, and then this goes over here. Now, this has a little bearing in, and I thought while we're on, we'll press it out and put a new one in. New bearing. It is a 6203. So what we got here is the hydraulic press. Just going to press out that bearing. There we go. And now put the other bearing on top and press it in. Hopefully it'll all go well. Alright, hopefully this will just gently go in. Just using the old bearing there. There we go, that sounds like it. So there we go, take the old bracket off, and hopefully in here we have a nice shiny new bearing, brand new. So I've just got to find, that goes on there. Oh, look at that. Yes. Awesome. Nut, bolt, and a washer goes over there. I believe that goes on there like that. And pop this through there. And yeah, on the back there, we pop the bolt in first. Get you on, and then tighten up. And in you go. It's getting chilly. This goes on there like that. Pop this in there like that. Oh, where did that go? Made a nice noise though. Hey, one of those on there, I believe. Next job is to get the starter motor on while there's plenty of room. There we go. Next job, mount. I think that can go on now as well. Pop it on like that and then do that. Bracket for the bottom. I think this one holds the condenser for the air conditioning. Well, that's coming on now. It's coming on. We've got a whole load of extra bits on. We've got the mounts on. We've got the inlet manifold on. We've got the starter motor on. It's coming on. It's coming on. I don't want to put this little lot on. I could put it on. I could put the alternator and the condenser on. I'll just get in the way when I want to lower it into the car. So that's about as much as I want to go with that. Next time we have a few brackets and the throttle body can go on. I've got a seal to change on this side and maybe put the clutch on as well. Once I've got those on, it'll be ready to stick the gearbox on and put it back in there. There's only a little bit to do in the car, so yeah, it's coming on. It's definitely coming on. If you've liked the video, please leave a like. If you really liked it, consider subscribing, and bye for now.